So, just estimating, but it's been about 3/4 of a year since Maggie got ran over by a truck over there. And she's still got her surgery scar and just the scar in general. Before she had the surgery, where her skin just tore right open from the impact. And she doesn't have a hip joint in her right hip, so I think it's pretty amazing that she's even running around the way she is. They just tied her muscles together somehow. You can notice how she's running really lopsided and off balance. So it's pretty cool that she can at least run around though and make it uphill and downhill without falling over on her side. She's actually doing better than I expected. Before I started shooting this video, when she walks, you can tell how bad it actually is. And then when she's standing up, she'll lift her right leg back up and off the ground a few inches and just hold it up there, especially when it's cold out, because she's so used to in the past when she was recovering, having to rely on just her other 3 legs to support. She still has a ways to go to strengthen that back right leg, but since she doesn't have an actual hip joint and it's just tied together the way it is, she's never going to be able to function normally. But it's good though that she's running around better than expected. Ooh. Wearing this hat. Got it way back when there was still dial-up internet, and it was really easy to win sweepstakes. I won this hat off of Mountain Dew cap code. I think it might not even have been a cap code. It might have been code from inside the cardboard box. Yeah, Final Four 2002. Freaking almost coming up on 11 years ago. The only sweepstakes I really enter nowadays is on my Coke rewards, but so many people enter those sweepstakes compared to how many sweepstakes they have available that since 2008 I've yet to win a sweepstakes on there yet. It's been about 4.5 years. At one point I'd given up on sweepstakes and just started getting free 32-ounce Powerades. It only used to cost 24 points. Now they charge you 40 points. Talked about that in a video before, where they used to allow you, the limit used to be 10 codes per day, and that meant that you could get and then the 32 packs used to be 20 points. They've since lowered the point value for that to 18. So you used to be able to get 200 points a day, and now they've really lowered their limit to only 120 points a week, unless they have like a promotion going on where if you get like double cap codes, so and you have to wait around for that, and of course you're lucky to get 240 a week when it used to be that you could get 200 a day. So yeah, I remember my friend Ryan Lassetti back in Florida, he saved up enough points until he was able to get 90 free 32-ounce Powerade coupons in the mail. It was so funny when he got them all at one time. I think the most ever, I never tried to get like a whole bunch at one time because I knew that they had expiration dates, and even when I was more active, I kind of like got them as I entered the codes online. I think the most I ever got was maybe like between like 13 and 16 at one time. But it's always pretty steady other than that. But because of my health problems, I probably, especially recently, I haven't really touched Powerade at all lately. Heck, I have like upwards of 10 coupons just laying around that I gotta use up. But found this volleyball. It was behind that tree on top of either that green tarp or wood pile near it. Over there. And hadn't really been getting out much, and this is the most I've really ran around in a long while. I usually feel like I'm gonna pass out. For the longest time, Maggie was unable to, I'd say for a good 10 minutes, Maggie was unable to pick up that ball with her mouth, but she finally figured it out. So she's happy and having fun. I know on most days because of my health issues, she pretty much gets sad because she wants me to come play with her, and I'm usually unable to. But feeling a little bit better today, so probably gonna go inside soon. Took a break from watching the movie Lawless with, I can really only remember one name right now, Shia LaBeouf. I know him pretty well from Transformer movies. And then the other guy who's in charge of their like moonshine operation is I forgot his name, but he's from the movie Warrior, and he played that Marine that was AWOL and that showed up for that MMA tournament and then went on to win it all. It was like destroying everybody, knocking everyone out like really fast. Yep. Another day at my parents', seeing how my health does in the near future. Got disability hearing hopefully coming up, supposedly no later than the end of April. And it's cutting into the middle of January now, so we're gonna see how things go.